What if you could turn your imagination into a video in under 5 minutes? Let me show you how. Seriously, making cinematic, scroll-stopping content has never been this easy. Whether it's a wild idea, a short story, or something completely off the wall, there's an AI tool that can make it real, fast. It's called Clipfly. It's totally free, browser-based, and honestly, a game-changer for creators. This tool has everything. Think pro-level video editing meets futuristic AI features. Today, we're diving into the AI stuff, but just so you know, it also handles things like format conversions, audio tweaks, and even turning your photos into GIFs. Now, on to the fun part. Let's talk about the star of the show, the AI video generator. All you have to do is type a prompt and it spits out a video that actually matches your words. Need inspiration? There's a prompt idea section to get you going. Once you've got a concept, you can fine-tune how the video looks, choose how many clips you want, adjust the motion, and pick between standard or pro mode. Then, hit generate. In seconds, you've got a video ready to download or tweak even further. Now say you want to edit it. Clipfly makes that part easy too. Upload media, drag and drop text, add subtitles, stickers, effects, and transitions. There's even a built-in library of music and stock video clips. Everything's right there to polish up your project without ever leaving your browser. Here's a wild one, the kissing generator. Yeah, it's as fun as it sounds. Upload 2 faces, choose a background, and watch the tool create a playful scene. Want Cleopatra and Iron Man in a romantic moment? Done. The results are hilarious and super shareable. Next up, the face dance tool. Upload a still image, pick a dance move or emotion, and watch it come to life. It's quirky, it's fun, and honestly, it's a hit for everything from memes to emotional moments. Worried about limits? The free version gives you a ton to work with. But if you want more power, the full version is only $40 a year. That gets you unlimited access, more credits, and 0 restrictions. If you're a storyteller or small business owner, it's a steal. Another gem, animated storytelling. Upload a photo, add a voiceover, or generate audio right in the platform, and set your animation style. Picture a knight charging through a storm to rescue a queen. Now make it move. With Clipfly, it's not just possible, it's effortless. And get this, you can even design avatars that look and sound like you. Yep, you can make a digital version of yourself that talks in your voice. It's perfect for personal branding, virtual tutorials, or just leveling up your video presence. If you're working with a team, Clipfly has real-time collaboration built in. Invite others to co-edit your project from anywhere. It's ideal for class projects, remote teams, or even fun collabs with friends. Running a business? Clipfly makes it super simple to whip up polished ads. Think smooth transitions, bold animated text, and sharp visuals. No video team required. Their scene stitching feature lets you combine different clips into a seamless story. Layer in voiceovers, sound effects, transitions. It's like building a movie trailer, minus the hassle. And yeah, all your projects live in the cloud. So whether you're on your laptop, tablet, or at a friend's house, your work's just a login away. No thumb drives, no panicking over lost files. So that's the rundown. Clipfly AI is packed with tools to help you create, edit, and share amazing content without needing a film degree. If this helped you out, smash that like button, leave a comment with your favorite feature, and share this with someone who needs a content upgrade. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you next week. Keep creating and stay inspired.